Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of October 7th through the 13th. This is in my B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner. For this week, I am using this kit from Planner One Love. It's called Witchy Mood. I just printed off the first page. There is a second page, but I felt like this was enough plus some stuff for my stash. So I just printed out this part. I'm excited for all the purple, really good for this time of year. In terms of things that I pulled out to go with this kit, I pulled out this bottom washi. This is from an AliExpress set that I've had for like 100 years. This one with the little gems. This one is, I think, from Meyer. I got it as a gift, but been around for a while. And then I pulled some skinny washi, this super skinny one from Amazon that I'm going to use along the top. This very end of this purple one from Dollar Tree. And then this black with circles, also from Dollar Tree. I think I'm going to use them in this order. Maybe I'll use them in this order, and I'll put the boxes through the center. All right, I think I'm going to do that. And then I also pulled out this dark blue zebra mild liner. I used it recently, but I felt like it also went with this kit. So I'm going to use it again. And then otherwise, I think that's everything I pulled for getting started with this week. I'm going to figure out what order these are going in, put down the bottom washi, all of that stuff, and then I will be back for us to do the interesting bits. Okay, here's where we are at. All of these are a little small. Apparently, telling my new laptop, I just got it recently, to print at 100%, it's doing something wrong. But I think it still looks fine, so I'm just going to go with it, and then hopefully I can figure it out before I have to print November kits, because I'm guessing all of the October ones are wrong. Anyway, moving on. Figuring out what should be my full box. I think I'm going to put this guy up in the quote box spot. I don't know why none of this cut well. Wow, this is just apparently going to be one of those plan with me's that are really frustrating. Because I feel like sometimes I cut stuff and it ends up being too deep. And then other times, apparently, it's just not going to cut right. Okay, we're going to go with it. And hopefully this is fine. Stick that there. And then I feel like this one is the obvious choice to then go on Thursday to go with it. Also didn't cut deep enough. Go. All right, let's see. Is this too small? Yeah. Still a bit too small. So I'm going to leave a bit of a gap all the way around. Okay. I think I'm going to stick to me, I think it's actually these two, and these two that look the most similar from a color story perspective. So that's how I'm going to divide them, rather than like on contents or something, because I just think that's going to make the most sense. So that's what I'm going to do. Sorry about my cats making noise in the background. They just got fed. Apparently they like to tell us about that. So I guess now you all know. Anyway, there's that one. And then let's see. Maybe I'll stick this one on Tuesday. Like so. And then this one is going to go on Saturday. So many scripty scraps. Like so. I think I'm going to put the Witch's Brew beverage on Monday. I feel like that's the day that we most need that kind of thing, right? There we go. And then that leaves this one. If I can get it picked up. Just have to trim a little scrippy scrap this time, so guess that's a win. Stick this one over here on Sunday. All right. There we go. That's looking pretty cute, actually. Moving on to the sidebar. Let's see. First off, I want to stick a strip of this light purple washi because I have like so little of it left. And at this point, I kind of just want to throw this roll away because there's essentially nothing on it. This is how much more I have left. So I'm going to figure out how to try to use that up in this spread, if I can make that happen. Okay, and then I'm going to use one of these headers that says important. I'm leaving gaps because I don't have that much that needs to go on this week. There we go. And then I think this is a leftover from Lovely Planner blog. I think I'm going to use this. As my habit tracker. I think I'm just going to track Instagram. If I could find the right page. Okay, there we go. I think I'll use this purple one. There we go. That's from Piper Paper Company, Jessica Aaron Designs. Not sure she has these in her shop right now, but that exists. So I'm going to use it. All right. And then next up, another strip of washi. On my quest to use up as much as possible. And then I'm going to use this guy that says to cook. I doubt I'm going to actually cook very much this week, but I'm just going to use this header because why not? This is just going to be for my food, whatever it is. And I'm going to use a leftover from, I believe, that same Lovely Planner blog kit. That has 7 little hearts on it. There we go. And then some washi. I think since I don't really need to put anything else in here, I'm actually just going to stick a few strips of this washi. Wow, Katsu's being very loud. Okay. There we go. That leaves this much, which I'm fine with just wasting to make it go away. I think we're good. Okay, moving on to the weekdays. Monday is going to be a vacation day for us, and I am going to post a video. So I'm just going to stick one of these really skinny strips up here. I think it's going to be my November or a cell setup. Feels very early, but it's time for that. So we're gonna do that. Tuesday is also going to be a travel day kind of situation. The big thing on Tuesday is that it is Dave's birthday. I think I'm gonna use these stickers. So this is a leftover from Avalon at night. I'm gonna let it go over the washi tape actually. And I'm gonna stick in Dave's birthday. I'm probably just gonna use this checklist box for travel, so I'm gonna not worry about that. Wednesday, it is back to the grind. So a work day for me, that's gonna go in right there. I don't know what else is going on that day, but that's fine. Thursday is also a work day. So another one of these little flags. There we go. And then Friday, a work day. You guessed it. There we go. Stick that in. And then I am going to use, I think this guy, to mark. I think this is the day that I'm going to put up my plan with me. Here we go. My parents are also arriving this day. So I guess I should mark that somehow. Maybe I'll use this little little thing. If I can get it off the paper, that would be great. So this little thing has like the little glasses. I'm just gonna stick it down here at the bottom to mark that my parents are arriving. And then the weekend will be whatever they want to do. So we will figure out what that is when we get there. I think this is where we are at with the pre-planning. Definitely very purple. I like the little bits of pink and things like that, but I'm loving how it's turning out. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. Super cute, definitely witchy vibes. If I don't mention it, it came from that kit from Planner One Love. All I have left from the one page I printed is a couple of headers and a couple of functional things here on the side, and then a lot of scrippy scraps. I definitely need to tidy my leftovers, but that's a project for another day. Along the top, this is a zebra mild liner. The washi on the top, the skinny one, is from Amazon. This one is from Dollar Tree, and then I believe this one is also from Amazon. On the bottom, the top one's from AliExpress. I think the bottom one might be from Meyer. I'm not totally sure. I got it as a gift. Then going down the side, both of these pieces here are leftovers from Lovely Planner Blog. This is from Piper Paper Company, Jessica Erin Designs. I don't think that she's currently doing anything, but that's there. Moving over here, this little guy is from Stick It To 'Em. I ended up coloring in, it says TPC sale, so I filled it in so that it's black and mostly doesn't show that because I wanted to use the cute little flag. Felt appropriate for Battlefield. This is from Creative Cavern Studio. This is a leftover from Avalon at Night. Chasing Shells, Creative Cavern Studio. That was our New Orleans part of the trip, which was really fun, even if we had some problems at the end for traveling home that were terrible. Over here, this is all stuff from the kit. This little spray bottle, I believe this is a leftover from my shop. I've had it in my stash for a long time at this point. And then this is from Hobby Lobby, an Agenda 52 sticker book. Creative Cavern Studio, Chasing Shells. The script is from Avalon at Night, and I think that's everything. So I think it turned out super cute, and I love how this week was. Lots of things going on, but it was a really good week. So that's all I have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went down below, or if you don't have anything you want to leave me some sort of witchy emoji. Just to say hi. I would love to hear from you. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, show you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.